Hey everybody, Scott Meyer from Chipp. I want to show you my latest obsession, which is adding images and GIFs into chats. Let me show you how to do this real quick. I just need to record this because I always forget to teach people. But you can add images and GIFs right into conversation using markdown, which is super easy to do, even if you don't know how to code. So in your Chipp instruction, you can tell your application to respond in certain ways, right? So when people start conversing, show them this information. You can do the same thing with images. So here you can see how we do it with the code. You do an exclamation point, and then this little bracket with details, that's actually just the kind of like what people see if they can't see the image, but good to put in there. It's kind of like an alt tag. And then you do parentheses and the website where the image is, and make sure you close it. So you have to have an image living on a website somewhere, right? So it has to be accessible via the web. So if we go to this page as an example, you'll see there's that image, right? And so now when Kyla starts her conversation for her nutritional buddy, if we go to a new chat, here we go, it'll pull up that image. And then you could easily imagine how you could layer this in. If they're answering or asking certain things, you'll pull in different images. Maybe that's a good way to teach a concept, right? You show a graphic, you show a GIF, you encourage them, you give them a celebratory image, whatever it might be. So super easy hack, really fun way to make these more personal. And of course, this is what the user would see when they go and chat to the personal nutritional assistant here. They're going to be able to see those images right in the chat. So hope you have fun with that. Want to do a real quick demo and make sure you can take advantage of that feature.